In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to collect emails using the Framer platform. This tutorial is intended for those who would like to understand the process of integrating a form in Framer with FormSpark for an effective process of email collection. For this task, the primary tool we are going to use is Framer, an exciting platform that allows us to create interactive designs easily. To get things started, you will first need to navigate to the Framer website. Once you've arrived at the Framer homepage, you will find various options, but our area of interest will be the Insert button. Give that a click. This will open up a host of extra options that would provide us with various tools and inserts that we can add to our Framer project. So our next step is to find the Form option in the list that appears. Take your time and scroll until you locate the Form option. When you spot it, you can go ahead and click on that. This is where our interesting tool, FormSpark, comes into play. FormSpark can be understood as a reliable serverless form backend alternative that facilitates the collection and management of submissions, which in our case happens to be email addresses. In the Form menu option, you're going to see a particular selection that reads FormSpark. You will need to select the FormSpark option to proceed to the next step. Having cleanly selected FormSpark, our next move is pretty straightforward. This is the interactive part where you get to engage in an activity similar to a digital drag-and-drop game. Specifically, what you're required to do is to take the FormSpark selection you just made and drag it all the way to your preferred area on the Framer project. Now, gently release it in the designated area to drop it. This essentially adds the FormSpark form to your Framer project, giving you a dynamic structure for effectively collecting emails. It's as simple as that. No coding, no complexities whatsoever, just straightforward selection, drag and drop. And with these few steps, you've successfully set up an avenue to efficiently collect emails using Framer and FormSpark. Feel free to go ahead and test it out. This process promises to optimally serve your need for a smooth way to collect emails. Remember, the more you practice this process, the more natural it becomes. So keep trying it out until you're well-versed. Stay interactive and open to learning new ways of using Framer to your advantage.